Traditional Taiwanese braised pork hock.
红烧猪脚滷蛋。
Prepare a large piece of ginger and flatten it, and cut 2 green onions into small pieces for later use. Boil the water, add 3 pounds pork hocks and cook for 5 minutes, then wash pork hocks with cold water. Wash the pot and wipe dry. Add 4 tablespoons vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add ginger and stir fry. Add pork hocks, mix well, then stir fry. Add 4 tablespoons cooking wine, 4 tablespoons oyster sauce, and mix well. A little bit 5 spice powder. 4 a little bit cinnamon powder. 5 a whole star anise. And mix well. Then add 3 tablespoons crystal sugar and stir fry. Add 4 tablespoons soy sauce and mix well. Add water until it almost covers the pork hocks, then add green onions and cover the pot. When the water boils, you can taste it. Change to low heat and cook slowly to let the water boil into gravy. You can also add hard-boiled eggs for an extra flavor. You can test it with chopsticks. If it is tender enough to poke a hole the pork hock, then it is done. To eat pork hock and eggs on traditional birthdays in our country means to kick all the bad people and things away. From now on, only good luck is left. Follow all the things you want to do. And you can do it smoothly like a round egg. A complete success.